Bioportabet, and this is our project. We have two products, Bioportabet and Batik. This is Batik.
This is Batik, the example of Batik, and then this is from Bioportabet.
We pack Bioportabet, so this is a bed seedling that portable you can use every time, everywhere. We are from Brawijaya. Thank you.
Kami dari Agripedia Team, kami dari Institut Pertanian Bogor, Kota Bogor. Nah, di sini kami ingin menampilkan minuman olahan coklat dari Desa Cimanggu bernama Taiba Choco. Taiba Choco adalah minuman coklat berlevel pertama di Indonesia dengan daerah pemasaran sudah hingga 15 kota di Indonesia. Harapan kami ialah Taiba Choco mampu menjadi salah satu komoditas minuman utama di Indonesia sehingga mampu mendayakan petani coklat di Desa Cimanggu.
You've got that one thing. So get out of my head. I'm falling to my arms instead. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. You got that one thing. Now I'm climbing the walls, but you don't notice at all that I'm going out of my mind all day and all night. Something's gotta give now, 'cause I'm dying just to know your name. And I need you here with me now, 'cause you've got that one thing. So get out of my head. I'm falling to my arms instead. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. Get out of my mind and come into my life. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. You got that one thing. You've got that one thing. Get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. So get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. Get out of my mind and come into my life. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. And you got that one thing.
I stay out too late, got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising, can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my
sedemikian rupa supaya teman-teman bisa selling your product dengan tepat. Nanti teman-teman untuk mobilisasi dari lantai 12 ke 9 itu akan ada bantuan dari CEO-nya Mas Hari. Ini loh masnya yang rambutnya merah-merah ini akan dengan mudah dilihat, dan ada timnya juga, ada Mas Eri. Nanti Mas Eri yang akan bantuin teman-teman untuk ke lift dan turun.
Good morning, everyone. I'm happy to be here with you. Most of you is young, and I hope your young energy, how to say, bring a lot of fun with us also. Come here, Pak Bu. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you, our future of Indonesia, future generation. It's a bright generation of Indonesia around Jawa, not only Jawa, right, Aldi?
Yes, also from Medan.
Also from Medan. Today is opening new factory in Lahat, to be precise. The 18th factory of Aqua. So this also will be your future destination if you want to join us also. Yeah. Okay, today we will finalize your effort with your social entrepreneur project, and we have 12 judges coming from internal, is from the board of director of Danone, and also some of them, 4 of them is coming from the outside, which is related with the social activity. So we have a very solid team to evaluate your project. What we will do soon, each of judge will stand in each of marketplace. We have 12 marketplace, so every of you please choose one, and then every 4 minutes, the committee will whistle. Free, and then you move. So you have a chance to check all of the, how to say, marketplace, and then at 10 we already should be in 9th floor to start the competition. How to say, evaluation. Okay. I think that's all from my side. Let's do now. Thank you for the judge for your time and your how to say, continuous contribution to the future of Indonesia actually. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tapi ya ini masih keberanian kosong laut.
produce this product. And why?
Mangrove-nya emang kopinya hasil tumbuh di mangrove atau gimana?
No, it's the pure mangrove.
Tapi bisa nggak bikin teman-teman ini kan sementara jadi utamanya gitu kan? Iya. Bisa dicampuran nggak sih, kayak bisa dicampur sama apa gitu, sehingga menjadi bahan campuran.
Been producing Gribik and Bilik like that for more than 20 years, but they cannot develop any product from bamboo. So they seek the training and workshop to the government, but there's no response. So we come, we trigger them to make the product from bamboo, like laptop case and things like that.
Have a 100 electrification because you know we are 70 years old, but until now we still have 12% society of this country still not have electrification. So with this we want all of them have electrification, at least for the land, for the light. For the Series 1, it can light the land until 30 land.
This lamp constantly for 1 month.
But no, to 30 lamp just about half of the power. 15 years, 15 days.
Agripedia menyediakan berbagai kebutuhan pertanian, kemudian petani membeli kebutuhan pertanian di Agripedia yang merupakan hasil inovasi IPB. Kemudian Agripedia juga memberikan konsultasi gratis, kemudian training gratis mengenai berbagai teknologi pertanian. Sehingga yang kami yakin, kalau dari produknya berkualitas, kemudian teknologi budidayanya bagus, akan meningkatkan produktivitas pertanian. Nah, sedangkan di sana itu adalah 90% petani, kemudian 60%-nya adalah lahan pertanian, dan mereka itu sangat bergantung sekali kepada pertanian. Sehingga kami yakin ketika pertaniannya meningkat, otomatis kesejahteraan mereka pula akan meningkat.
Rupiah, 600 perak.
If your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, then you're la la la, babe. If your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, then you're la la la, babe. Boy, look at me in my face. Tell me that you're not just about this bass. You really think I could be replaced? Nah, I come from outer space, and I'm a classy girl. I'ma hold it up. You full of something, but it ain't love. And what we got is straight overdue. Go find somebody new. You can buy me diamond earrings and na 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 na, but I smell her on your collar, so bye 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 bye. I know you're lying, 'cause your lips are moving. Tell me, do you think I'm dumb? I might be young, but I ain't stupid. Talking round in circles with your tongue, I gave you base.
They have to do many things with just that candle. Is it fair fair for a lot of our kids and generations out there that have to do many things just with that candles. While we here have to use many lights and sometimes we waste them. It's so sad that in this large country with about 30,000 islands and more than 200 million people, we still have 17,300 countryside that with no electric access. According to PLN database, the electrification ratio in Indonesia in 2013 is up to 18.38%, and it will reach 100% in 2020, 5 years from now. Considering that conditions, we, small step, but have an incredible impact, bring you this. Gebrek, generator energi bagi raja.
Here we are, Gebrek as the bright solution for us, for Indonesia. We have a two type of Gebrek Series 1 and Gebrek Series 2.
You gave me sweet talk, saying I'm your number one, but I know you're lying, 'cause your lips are moving, baby, don't you know I'm done? If your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, if your lips are moving,
Agripedia also provide free consultation and free training about agriculture technology to the farmers. So it is a method from Agripedia so that agriculture innovation can be adopted and can be used by farmers in this village, especially in Cimanggu.
diamond earrings and yes you can, but I smell her on your collar, so bye 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 bye. I know you're lying.
Our basic stadion, from this basic stadion can divert into several stuff into our side. And the second is our idea is an open collaboration with any partner, so we can our idea can be sustained.
Saying I'm your number one, but I know you're lying, 'cause your lips are moving, baby, don't you know I'm done? Come on, say hey, 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 and you lie. All right now, I wanna hear y'all singing with me. Here we go. I know you're lying, 'cause your lips are moving. Tell me, do you think I'm dumb? I might be young, but I ain't stupid. Talking round in circles with your tongue. I gave you bass, you gave me sweet talk. Saying I'm your number one, but I know you're lying, 'cause your lips are moving. Baby, don't you know I'm done?
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else.
Our name is called Andalimania. Andalimania consists of two words. First, Andaliman and Mania. In English, mania means friend of something, but in Batak, mania means fighting. And then for packaging design, we use plastic bottle, red light, and label. We have two kind of price of bottle, small size and medium size.
Come true if you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure you. Oh, oh. Pretty girl, you should be smiling. A girl like you should never look so blue. You're everything I see in my dreams. I wouldn't say that to you if it wasn't true. Oh, I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Oh, oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star.
What we can contribute is Siramin, the new face of future Indonesian agriculture. Siramin is an automatic watering technology created for farmers to help them in bridging the limited water access. Siramin will be sold as a package, consists of one more device, just like that. Then Siramin is specially designed by us to help farmers in solving problem of their water access. And then one water pump, one water tank, 5 mobile phones. Why mobile phones? Because mobile phones is one of the most common device which human usually use for communication. And then 5 motor sensors. Why? Because we would like to change the habit of farmers and also the feeling of farmers when they do the watering. We would like to change it into the more scientific by using motor sensors. And then the last one is 100 meters of plastic hoops.
It's my aeroplane. Songbird, sweet and sour Jane, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Pleasure spike with pain. That mother always spike with pain. Looking in my own eyes, hey Lord, I can find the love I want. Someone better slap me before I start to rust, before I start to decompose. Looking in my rearview mirror, looking in my rearview mirror, I can make
In the mornings, can you imagine when the teachers and students come to the school and find those empty bottles? This is why we want to make this happen through a website.
It's my aeroplane. Songbird, sweet and sour Jane, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Pleasure spike with pain.
Give the impact for women only, but also the farmers. Just as my friend said before, that the farmers get the lower price for the raw material. So we insist to give them 5 times higher income for the women, and also give higher pay for the raw material to the farmers, and also we want to improve the skill and knowledge of the women. And the rest is we give 20% of the net income to support the education.
It's easy when you're sad. Sad like me. I like pleasure spike with pain, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Songbird, sweet and sour Jane, and music is my aeroplane.
Bamboo selection, then process it. After that, we make a gases for laptop. Then we dry it and coloring, and then finishing.
Just one note can make me float away. One note from the song she wrote could put me where I lay. Just one note can make me choke. One note that's not a lie. Just one note could cut my throat. One note could make me die. I like pleasure spiked with pain, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Songbird, sweet and sour Jane, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Let's fight with pain.
Like the legend of the phoenix, all ends with beginnings. What keeps the planet spinning? The force from the beginning. Love. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar. all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 The present has no ribbon. Your gift keeps on giving. What is this I'm feeling? If you wanna leave, I'm with it.
Selamat datang, sebelum kita mulai saya mau absen dulu kita. Yang pertama, ini ada Agripedia dari Institut Pertanian Bogor, ya, dengan kampus manajernya Trisna. Oke. Ini dia akan produk mengenai produk utama Taiba Choco, ya. Yang kedua, nah ini dia nih, oh ini kampus manajernya udah heboh banget nih, kalau udah heboh sih gila aja nih.
Culture.
Culture dari Universitas Gajah Mada dengan kampus manajernya Farid dari Akuan. Kemudian yang ketiga dari Universitas Brawijaya, Biokota Best, benar bacanya Biokota Best. Kalau saya belum baca, saya pikir ini kayak tempat tidur yang portable itu. Dengan kampus manajernya Kori Aqua. Kampus manajernya mahasiswanya. Selanjutnya masih dari UGM. Ini dengan kampus manajernya Deska Dream Dalian. Ya, kampus manajernya mana? Gak ada ya, karena lagi gitu ya, lagi tagihin pelangi ya. Dari ITB ada Gebrai. Selanjutnya, nah ini dia, dari ITB lagi dengan kampus manajernya namanya Bita, tapi panggilan saya kalau dia manggilnya Aki. Luca. Luca ini malah melibatkan pendidikan anak-anak ya dari SD sampai SMA. Makanya dari SD namanya bisa saya lakukan yang keempat dan kelima itu akan dapat hadiah beasiswa masing-masing sebesar 300.000 setiap bulan setiap peserta.
Ya, sebenarnya beasiswanya itu nanti akan berbeda untuk setiap pemenangnya. Tapi dari setiap grup akan mendapatkan funding dari Daron untuk menjalankan bisnisnya. Jadi setiap grup akan mendapatkan 15 juta rupiah pemenang pertamanya. Dapat apa?
Pergi ke Thailand.
Lalu yang berikutnya adalah Alfati Timur dari kitabisa.com. Jadi kalau kita dengar crowdsourcing atau crowdfunding, nah kitabisa.com ini crowdsourcing asli Indonesia. Lalu yang terakhir adalah Goris Mustaqim sebagai perwakilan dari Asgar Foundation yang meliputi pemberdayaan kaum muda.
Selamat datang kepada Bapak Olivier Piano, Direktur Sanwisada. Kemudian ada Bapak Arif Mujahidin, Head of Corporate Affairs Sanwisada. Ada Ibu Nadia Said. Langsung aja dari Sumatera Utara, Sulfur Sugiarto.
Only few people know about Andaliman. So, what Andaliman exactly? Andaliman is a mud spice from North Sumatra that often used by Bataknis to make their traditional food, such as ikan mas arsik, migomak, etc. So, we propose social business idea titled Empowering Sinabung Refugees to make Andaliman sauce. The benefit of this product is make it easier to eat food with Andaliman anytime, anywhere, make the cooking time more efficient, and Andaliman sauce has so many vitamins such as A, B, etc. The economic impact, the citizens will get salaries by their needs, and also we help farmers by buying their commodities.
Kita sambut sama-sama dari Universitas Brawijaya Gio Portal. Tepuk tangan boleh kok.
We proudly present Kota Webseries, generating new innovation on the connections between art, agriculture, environment, and entrepreneurship. Kota Web is a seedling media of growth media, and the Betik is the green souvenir. Our business target is gabungan binaan universitas or farmers group, organic agricultural product, students, and event organizer for Betik.
Being happy is absolute, but being meaningful is a choice, because sharing doesn't need a big effort. Here we are resilient and like-minded for foundation. Weaving is the new spirit of Jakarta.
Weaving is the traditional outfit from Jakarta. Weaving becomes the tradition among society in Seberang village. Most of people live under economic class. There are 370% who depend on weaving. But you have to know if Stagian only paid 18,000 rupiah per 10 meters. And even the demand of Stagian was defined.
Based on the background, we can find that something we can be improved from the society. We already know that weaving Stagian is already being tradition in Seberang village. So we didn't come there to give them new things, but we just improve what they already have. Okay, we train them to make to transform a basic Stagian into rainbow Stagian. So it becomes more valuable. So that is the plus point number 1. And the next is you can find lurid patterns on the Stagian. It's a traditional pattern from Jakarta, and it represents modesty among society. So it is well suited with our future plans to make rainbow Stagian becoming new icon of Jakarta. That's the plus point number 2. And the next is we don't stop to give another innovation. So we transform rainbow Stagian into rainbow weaving crafts that it is more profitable.
Okay, my question then is, who is your target audience for the craft weaver?
The target audience when we sell the rainbow Stagian, they just can buy only, you have to buy 10 meters or more, but you cannot buy only 1 meters or 2 meters. And for the target market for the craft, we have 2, umbrellas and monographs. So we have ready product and overall product.
Our social business presentation. Let us take a moment now, everyone here, imagine how a great life would be if more people get more co-equal and better quality education. They won't be people on the streets, no. They will be end up like here, in here, you and me. But unfortunately, this nation's quality education is worrisome. Numerous school needs our great attention. Can't you see these numbers? 184,000 schools, elementary schools, still need our great attention. They need to be improved. So here we build a bridge. We trigger the society to shape our education. We invite them all into something for everyone. What kind of bridge would everyone connect to? Internet, where everyone can connect most instantly, anytime and anywhere. Infrastructure needs to be funded. We have already local builders, but funds is something very fundamental. So a crowdfunding is the perfect tool to collect this monetary funding online. This is just a tool to get our purpose. We
help the angel donators, we approach them, and then we help them to donate through our platform, and then distribute the donation to elementary school, 100% of the distribution, and then we post the survey schools on our platform. They will choose the survey schools on our platform. This is how our website looks like.
Good afternoon to all judges and good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the time so we can have a presentation about our project Siramin, empowering farmers to create a real sustainable agriculture with Siramin as a solution for automatic watering and fertilizing. My name is Gandhi and this is my friend Kukistan Arjo, Raditya Chandra, Reza Mansela and Rifka Aulia. We are
Escobar Indonesia!
Product Siramin. Siramin is an embedded system that implements the principle of Internet of Things so that it can be accessed by remote area anywhere and anytime. And then how does Siramin works? At the first of all, the sensor will measure the moisture level of the farmer's land and then will send them to the CPU processor. And from the CPU processor, the data will be sent to the database via web service definition language. And then that's all about the data preparation. The Siramin works can be accessed with two different mechanisms. The first of all is by SMS and the second is by web. Because our main target right now is the farmer, we think that SMS mechanism is the most user-friendly way for farmer to access the Siramin. And then Siramin will give you a notification if the moisture level, for the land of the farmer is below the critical level. And then the Siramin will turn on automatically once the SMS is ready.
Kalau yang kita jadi ada dua. Yang satu itu adalah ngasih bantuan untuk proyeknya, dan itu kan sebetulnya sudah semuanya 5-5-nya diberi ini yang sama kan, 15 masing-masing. Jadi 5-5-nya dapat ini yang sama. Nah yang membedakan sebenarnya 1, 2, 3 itu effort, karena effortnya itu yang membedakan beasiswa masing-masing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dibedakan dari besar beasiswa mereka. Dan yang the best itu ada additional bonus itu yang tinggi.
Kita akan sekali lagi umumkan, jadi yang the best yang nomor 5 akan menerima beasiswa sebanyak 300.000 per bulan, dan untuk itu sama pemakaian dan kelima ya. Untuk yang golongan ketiga akan menerima beasiswa sebanyak 350.000 per orang per bulan, dan yang kedua 12 bulan. Yang kedua 400.000 per orang per bulan, dan yang pertama 450.000 per orang per bulan ditambah pakai karya wisata ke Thailand. Dan juga pastinya semuanya akan mendapat funding sebesar
15 juta rupiah.
Ya. Sudah ada hasilnya? Pak Ikmar yang akan membacakan.
Oke.
So we started from the first, from the fifth.
So, first of all, I think in this context, there is only winners. Everybody who has participated in this, we consider as Groep Danone in Indonesia to be a winner, because you have shown that you have the right spirit, the right mentality, the entrepreneurial spirit to follow what we believe in our mission to bring health and food to as many people as possible. We also believe in our group about what we call the dual impact or the dual model, which is about economic impact in society, but equally important, the social impact in society. And it is very important that in all the projects you have presented today, we see this coming back. And for us it's very important to understand that the responsibility of a company does not stop at the factory gate. So compliment and congratulations to everybody for bringing this alive in the beautiful project today. as hard as it is, we started this morning with 12. Today we're left with 5 winners. Winners meaning that they were better on elements as other groups, but as I've said before, everybody already deserved the prize to be in this competition. But the jury, and you know with juries we are firm and we are consistent, and we had a quite fast alignment, and it was united and unanimous. Therefore, I can share with you the results where we have landed. And I'll start with the 5th place of the 2015 Danone Young Social Entrepreneurs Competition. And that prize goes to the team of UB with the Bio Portale project. So the 4th place in this competition, it goes to USU with the surplus therapy. It's getting serious now. It goes to, I think that was the only one we had from ITB, and it goes to Project Kucha. is from the Hind De Leon.
Danon di seluruh dunia beroperasi di 4 unit. Yang pertama berkaitan dengan air, water business. Yang kedua berkaitan dengan produk untuk makanan bayi, early life nutrition. Kemudian yang ketiga berkaitan dengan produk-produk dairy. Yang keempat berkaitan dengan produk nutrisi untuk orang-orang yang punya masalah kesehatan, jadi medical nutrition. Isi Danon itu adalah bring health through food to as many as possible. Jadi berkaitan dengan kesehatan untuk masyarakat melalui makanan dan minuman. Dalam menjalankan operasionalnya, Danon menerapkan yang namanya dual project. Project ganda. Pada saat dia melakukan operasional untuk mendapatkan keuntungan secara ekonomi, pada saat yang sama Danon juga menimbang atau memajukan aspek sosial dari masyarakat sekitar. Jadi itu yang digarap Danon selalu, aspek sosial dan ekonomi berjalan bersama-sama. Salah satu implementasinya dari dual project itu adalah DICE ini. Nah, sebetulnya kita sudah mulai sejak 2013 dan bahkan sebelumnya. Kalau dulu namanya Trust, tapi sejak 2013 kita ubah menjadi DICE. Fokusnya ke anak muda, kemudian yang berkaitan dengan social entrepreneurship. Ya, ada unsur sosialnya, tapi ada unsur entrepreneurshipnya. Jadi kesinambungan dan ada aspek sosial. Karena Danon meyakini aspek sosial itu tidak akan sustain kalau tidak ditunjang oleh keuntungan ekonomi. Jadi kedua hal ini harus berjalan bersama supaya lebih lama hidupnya. Nah ini kita merangsang para kaula muda dan kita fokuskan ke mahasiswa, karena kalau ke kaula muda terlalu luas, jadi kita fokus di mahasiswa di mana Danon punya akses ke universitas-universitas. Nah, dan DICE ini dirancang untuk itu, selain merangsang jiwa sosial ekonomi dari anak-anak muda dalam hal ini mahasiswa, pada saat yang sama Danon itu juga melirik, ya, memanfaatkan event seperti ini untuk melihat potensi-potensi anak muda, mahasiswa khususnya, yang bisa direkrut untuk menjadi karyawan Danon masa depan. Untuk penjurian hari ini saya serahkan kepada Pak Evan, bagian dari tim juri, untuk menyampaikan hasilnya dan juga pertimbangan apa yang dicapai sehingga terpilih Dream Billion, ya, sebagai pemenang DICE Top.
Berkaitan dengan penjurian, seperti rekan-rekan mungkin sudah tahu. Jadi pada saat kita buka DICE ini, lebih dari 100 proposal yang masuk. Jadi cukup banyak, ya, 100 proposal yang masuk yang datang dari berbagai macam universitas yang terumumkan di Indonesia. Ya. Jadi rekan-rekan bisa lihat banyak sekali yang masuk. Jadi antusiasme dari para students untuk mengikuti ini cukup besar. Nah, itu kan kita juga sangat suka. Nah, setelah itu tim juri ini rupanya memang melihat 100 idenya bagus semua. Ya, sangat susah untuk memang kita pilih 12 saja udah cukup jauh. Ya, tapi alhamdulillah kita bisa pilih 12 yang hari ini akhirnya datang ke Jakarta untuk kompetisi secara nasional. Nah, dari 12 ide yang masuk, memang kita pilih 5 yang terbaik. Jadi kita katakan bahwa 12 semuanya baik karena sudah menyisihkan dari 100 itu, tapi kita pilih 5 yang terbaik.
Dan penilaian juga dilakukan atas beberapa poin, yaitu originalitas dari ide-ide tersebut, kemudian impact bisnis dan sosialnya, dan juga dari sustainability. Begitu mungkin yang bisa dirangkum dari penggunaan dari Pak Evan dan Pak Hugo. Kami persilakan kepada rekan-rekan media jika ada yang ingin bertanya, silakan.
Ya, saya Iit dari Republika. Saya mau tanya terkait dengan tentang modal gitu. Ada nggak sih kayak batasan modal atau modal tertentu maksudnya dijadikan salah satu bahan kuliah? Maksudnya gini, makin sedikit modalnya tapi saya makin sudah jadi menurut atau ya supaya
Modal terus terang tidak menjadi salah satu penilaian. Ya. Karena apa? Kita mau rekan-rekan ini mulai dari ground zero. Ya, jadi kita mau rekan-rekan semuanya melalui punya base yang sama. Base yang sama itu apa? Mereka yang tadi kita lihat originalitas dari ide. Jadi kalau kita lihat originalitas dari ide ya sebetulnya kalau kita lihat adalah semuanya zero. Ya, jadi dari nol. Ya. Nah, tapi rekan-rekan bisa melihat bahwa dari nol yang mereka punyain, mereka juga punya perbedaan kan. Sampai seberapa jauh mereka melompat. Ya. Memang ada yang udah mulai 1 tahun, ada yang baru mulai 3 bulan, ada yang 6 bulan gitu kan. Tapi dari situ kelihatan sebenarnya impact-nya. Jadi tadi originalitasnya kelihatan, terus kemudian impact-nya yang kita nilai juga impact-nya juga kelihatan di situ. Jadi kalau menjawab pertanyaan Mbak Iit, modal tidak ada, tapi yang kita lihat idenya. Nah, tantangan ke depan dari program DICE ini adalah kalau kita bicara mengenai bisnis dan sosial adalah sustainability. Bagaimana membuat program-program yang sudah dijalankan oleh mahasiswa ini sustainable ke depannya. Nah, sustainable artinya adalah bahwa bagaimana bisnis yang sudah diinisiasi yang cukup bagus ini bisa terus berkembang dan terus memberikan kontribusi yang positif terhadap masyarakat Indonesia. Nah, salah satu kunci untuk membuat bisnis ini sustainable adalah bisnis ini harus memberikan profit atau keuntungan terhadap para pelakunya, yaitu masyarakat yang menjadikan target dari proyek-proyek program DICE ini. Ya. Jadi bagaimana bisnis ini bisa profitable dan itu memberikan keuntungan kepada masyarakat sehingga masyarakat akan semakin tertarik dan semakin mencoba untuk mengembangkan bisnis ini secara lebih besar lagi. Nah, jadi itu yang menjadi tantangan utama untuk kelanjutan dari program DICE.
Alhamdulillah hari ini kita sudah menyelesaikan tahap akhir dari proses seleksi ajang kompetisi DICE, di mana para mahasiswa itu melontarkan ide-ide kreatif mereka sehubungan dengan proyek mereka di bidang social entrepreneurship. Kedepannya yang ingin kita perbaiki dari kontes DICE ini adalah lebih kepada proses pendampingan kepada para peserta, di mana saya lihat dari tahun ke tahun itu sudah ada perbaikan dalam hal presentasi mereka, cara mereka melontarkan gagasan. Tetapi yang masih perlu diperbaiki dari presentasi mereka adalah lebih kepada memanage proyeknya menjadi sesuatu yang solid, yang bisa dijaga kesinambungannya ke depan. Harapan kami dari kontes ini bisa merangsang minat kaula muda, khususnya mahasiswa, untuk memperbaiki kehidupan sosial di sekitar mereka dengan ide-ide kreatif dari mereka sebagai anak muda.